Let's see a problem. Sucrose decomposes in acid solution into glucose and fructose according to the first order rate law with T half equal to 3 hours. What fraction of sample of sucrose remains after 8 hours? See what he given in the problem. This decomposition of sucrose into glucose and fructose is first order rate law, is first order reaction, and he given half life of that reaction, that is T half equal to 3 hours, and he is asking at what fraction of sample of sucrose remains after 8 hours. See what he given. He given T half equal to 3 hours and he given time is 8 hours. In this 8 hours, how much fraction of sucrose will remain? See, problems like this, if they asked how much fraction and what fraction will remain, then you take initial concentration as 1, that is R naught equal to 1. Now we can calculate how much concentration of R, that is how much fraction of sucrose is remained after 8 hours. Let's see how. See, he given the reaction as a first order reaction. So for first order reaction, you know that K equal to 2.303 by T into log of R naught by R. See, in this equation, you know R naught, you have to calculate value of R, and you know time, but you don't know K. So in order to use this, you have to find value of K. You also know that for first order reaction, T half equal to 0.693 divided by K. See, you know T half value, and so you can find value of K from this equation. So K equal to 0.693 by T half. Once you find the value of K, use this value of K in this equation, and easily you can find value of R, that is how much sucrose will, what fraction of sample of sucrose will remain after 8 hours. Let's see. Let's try to find out this value of K. K equal to 0.693 divided by T half. He given T half as 3. So K is 0.231 per hour. If you want, you write unit 0.231 per hour. Now use this K value in this equation and try to find out the value of R. Okay, I have written once again the formula. So K is 0.231, 2.303 by time is 8 hours given, and log of R naught is 1. We have to find concentration of R. Now simplify this one, take this 8 this side, and take this 2.303 also this side. What it will become? 0.231 into 8 divided by 2.303 equal to log of 1 by R. So now this whole simplification is 0.8024 equal to log of 1 by R. Log of 1 by R equal to 0.8024. If you take this log this side, it will become NT log. So 1 by R equal to NT log of 0.8024. NT log of 0.8024 is 6.3445. So concentration of R equal to 1 by 6.3445 equal to 0.1576. So therefore 0.1576 sample of sucrose will remain after 8 hours. That's it, this problem. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.